In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to another page in Wix 2025, step by step. We'll start inside your Wix account and finish with a working link on your live site. First, open the Wix editor, log into your account, head to My Sites, select the website you want to work on, and click Edit Site. This opens the Wix editor where you can safely make changes. Nothing goes live until you publish, so feel free to take your time here. Next, choose what you want to turn into a link. In Wix, links can be added to text, buttons, images, and icons. Click the element you want to use. If it's text, highlight the exact words you want clickable. If it's a button, image, or icon, just select the element so you see its toolbar or settings box appear. A quick tip for clarity and accessibility: use meaningful link text like view services instead of click here, so visitors immediately understand where they're headed. With the element selected, click the link icon, the small chain symbol that appears in the element's toolbar or settings. This opens the link settings panel. If you don't see the icon, make sure you've selected the element itself, not the surrounding strip or section. Now choose the page you want to link to. In the link settings, select page as the link type, then pick the destination page from the list of your site's pages. For example, you can connect a Learn More button to your services page. When you've chosen the correct page, click Done to apply the link. You'll see the element updated to reflect that it's now clickable. Before you finish, you can adjust optional link behavior. For internal pages on your own site, opening in the current window is typically the best experience because it keeps your visitors in the same browsing flow. Reserve opening in a new tab for external websites or resources like documents, where it makes sense to keep your site available in the original tab. Consistency here helps user experience and reduces confusion. When you're happy with the setup, publish your website. Click Publish in the top right corner of the editor. Your changes will go live and the link will now work on your published site. It's a good practice to visit the live page, click the linked element, and confirm it lands on the correct destination. If you need to tweak anything, like changing the linked page or the link behavior, return to the editor, update the link settings, and publish again. That's it. You've successfully added a link to another page in Wix, keeping your site intuitive and easy to navigate.